You're probably tired of your 9 to 5 job, or you're burnt out searching for online job opportunities or main passive income from home. What if I tell you that I have a solution to this your problem through AI powered websites? AI powered website that is changing the game now. This is legitimate website that will help you earn money from your comfort zone. Yes, I am not promising you a get rich quick scheme. No, I am promising you authentic and legitimate websites that have the tools and resources that will help you earn money from wherever you are. Especially to my people who are disabled, you understand that moving around is also a very big challenge, and all you need right now is an opportunity to make money and earn from home without the hassle of going through the strategies and disadvantage of being disabled. That is why in this video I'm going to share the 5 base website that can help you earn money from home. The number 4 and the number 5 is one of the important one because it doesn't require any experience, any prior experience at all. You can just log in and then you start earning money from it. All you need to do is just watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any part of this video. Hey buddies, if you're seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth and thank you for stopping by. And to my old subscribers, you are the real VIP. Yes, thank you very much for always stopping by to watch my videos. My name is Ruth and in this channel, welcome to YouTube Growth Nation. In this channel, I share about YouTube growth, social media hacks and tips and how to make money online. If this is the kind of content you're interested in, please click on the sub button, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell so that you won't miss anytime we post another one. Making money online can seem like an hassle, but this website I am going to share to you today can help you make up to $1,000 or above if you take it serious. Now let's right into the main video of today. The first one in the list of my base AI tools is this. If you are interested in making money generating marketing copies, emails, product descriptions, ads, blog posts, blog intros for small businesses, then here comes the solution for you. The solution here is Copy AI. www.copyai. This AI website is going to help you make money from generating sales and marketing copies. So you sell it to brands, right? You sell it to brands on either freelance websites or platforms that are used for product listing, which I will share this platform before the end of this video. Number 2, do you know that you can sell your voice? You can sell your voice, that beautiful voice of yours. So stop wasting it. Yes, by creating AI voiceovers for videos. Are you surprised? Creating AI voiceover for videos, for audiobooks, for video explainers, for characters in games and animations, right? And you can achieve this using this powerful AI website called 11 Labs, 11labs.io. Okay, so this website is a powerful website that can help you sell your voice and make money. So you see, you cannot just waste this beautiful voice. Now this is what you need to do before you start selling your voice. The first thing you have to do is to know the niche you are going to, right? Know the people who need this your voice. Is it for YouTube explainers? Is it for animations? Is it for business art? Is it for podcast? Is it for audiobook narration? So this, once you understand the people you are selling your voice to, then the next thing you have to do is to just write in and then start making money. All right, at this point, I believe that if you have watched my videos to this point and you have not clicked on the like button by giving us a thumbs up, please do so. Like this video for us. This is a way to support our little channel. Another thing is that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I come in peace, please subscribe to my channel, because here I will always be here to share tips, growth tips, and how to make money online tips, especially the ones I have tried. You understand? So stay with me by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that you won't miss anytime I post another one. Okay. The next one is Ideogram AI. Ideogram AI is a platform that can help you generate money by generating like unique book covers, merch, podcast covers, and even brandings. Yes. So if you are interested in creating this kind of things, and you can also sell all these things as graphic design services, or you can use the product listing platform I'm going to share at the end of this video to sell the products you generate from this. Okay, generate from this amazing AI website. So this is the next one. So if you are someone who wants to start selling this kind of book covers for people who have ebook covers, right, audiobook covers, podcast covers, mage, and other branding covers, graphic services, then this is the one you should go into. Okay, so the next one, which is the number 4, which I've been talking about, the number 4 in my list is actually the Pictory AI. Have you heard of Pictory AI? Do you know what it's used for? This one helps you to turn blog posts and script into videos. It can turn blog posts and script into videos. It can turn it into either YouTube videos, TikTok reels, any kind of social media videos. You see, this one you don't need to have experience. You don't need to be a tech savvy. You don't need to know anything about tech, or maybe have experience doing this before. All you need to do is to log into this AI website, and then you get your blog posts, and then you turn it to videos, and you can now upload these videos either on your monetized YouTube channel, your monetized TikTok account, or other social media platform, right, and earn money from it, right? Or you can start doing this as a service, right, delivering it as a video creating service for other people, and you make money from home. How do you see it? Here comes the last but not the least. Yes, the almighty number 5. As I said, with or without experience, you can achieve this as well. You can make money by creating high quality blog posts. Yes, you can either create this high quality blog posts for yourself or for people, for small businesses. You can help you create product listing for businesses. You can help you create product listing or even sales page. That's your landing page for brandings for small businesses, right? So this particular AI website is a power game changer. You can see it. It can help you do blog posts for people. You can create sales page or landing page for business ads, you understand? And you can even use it to do product listing as well. So it's a powerful AI tool that you should not miss, and you don't need experience to make use of it. This AI tool is called Jasper AI. Jasper AI. So finally, if you are interested in this, I believe that if you look at from number 1 to the number 4, you might have seen one that suits your own calling, and then you roll into your calling, and then you try check it out and start earning money from home. So as I said before, that I'm going to give you the places you can sell your products, you can sell your creative works right at the end. This is the time. Yes, this is the time. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you have not, give us a thumbs up. Okay, so these are the places you can sell it. Number 1 is Gumroad. Gumroad. So Gumroad is a place where you sell products. So you can take your product and sell there. We have the Redbubble. That's another place you can sell products. We have Etsy. We have Teespring. So you can check out all these places to sell your digital products, your creative work. All right, and then you earn money from home. Okay, so I guess that if you check from number 1, as I said, to the last one, you have gotten one that is suitable for you, and I would like to hear your opinion about this powerful AI website in the comment section. Yes, I want to know more. What do you think about it? Let me know your opinion in the comment section. If you find this video valuable, please click on the thumbs up button, like this video, and then subscribe to my channel, because I will always bring to you content on how to make money online, YouTube growth, and social media hacks and tips. So if you want to get more videos, you want to get more ideas about how to grow your YouTube channel and your social media channel, please kindly check out my YouTube channel for more videos on this. I have a playlist for it, and I also have a playlist for making money online, a playlist for YouTube growth and social media hacks. So check it out and stay with me. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I believe you are subscribed to my channel. Please don't go without subscribing, and I would like to see you in the next one. Bye.